Let's do the first one. It says TextView equals new TextView, and then we pass context in as an input parameter to the constructor. The problem with this line of code is that we're creating a new object, but we're not storing it properly in a variable. We're saying that the variable should have data type TextView, but we forget to give it a variable name. So the correct code would look something like this: TextView followed by a variable name, and then equals new TextView. You can call the variable name something else, but we just chose to use TextView with a lowercase t. So in this case, the error was missing variable name. Let's do the next one. It says image view, image equals new image view. The problem here is that this is not a valid object data type. Android defines a class called ImageView with a capital I and a capital V, and it's squished together into one word. A valid class name can't have any spaces in it. The variable name looks okay, and then creating the new image view looks okay as well. So the only error was that it had an incorrect class name. In the third statement, we're trying to create a new toggle button. It says toggle button button equals create toggle button. We're calling the toggle button class here, so we need to use the Java keyword new, not create. And this is the correct code. It says toggle button button equals new toggle button. The problem here was not using the Java keyword new. New is the keyword that indicates that we're trying to create a new object. In the fourth statement, we're trying to create a new toast. You could have Google searched for how to create a new toast and then compared it with this code here. The problem here is that toast needs to be spelled with a capital T because this is the class name for toast. This is using a factory method like we talked about earlier. This creates a new toast object and then it gets stored in this variable. So the error here was just the incorrect class name. So now that we know how to create objects, how do we use these objects?